Americans are obsessed with nostalgia, but what if you could turn that into a business? This AI side hustle lets you sell personalized digital time capsules based on someone's hometown, birth year, or childhood, and people are paying big for it. Hey hustlers, welcome back to the channel where we turn smart ideas into real income. Today I'm sharing a side hustle that's so unique it's emotionally addictive. It's called AI Memory Revival, and it's all about selling nostalgia. To Americans, what's the strategy? You use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva to create personalized digital time capsules. Think what life was like in Chicago in 1995, top songs from your high school year, or your childhood cartoons, and snacks. Then you sell them as digital gifts. Why it works. Nostalgia sells. People love reliving their past, and they will pay for it, especially for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to feel something real. You are not just selling content, you are selling emotion. Here is step-by-step guide. Step 1. Ask for a person's birth year and city, e.g. 1988, Boston. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate local events, pop culture, prices, and trends. From that year. Step 3. Use Canva to design a beautiful digital booklet or slideshow. Step 4. Package it as a downloadable PDF or video. Step 5. Sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site as a personalized gift. Real success example: a creator in Seattle made $4,500 last month selling 90s kid time capsules. Another in Texas built a birthday gift shop around this idea, and it's going viral on TikTok. If you want to earn online in the USA and make people cry happy tears while doing it, this is your moment. Like, subscribe, and let's build your income together.